Hari Om children, welcome to our social studies class. Good afternoon. In the last class, we know about the latitudes and longitudes and how many latitudes are there, what are the important latitudes and how many longitudes are there, what are the important longitudes and what are the names where it is derived, longitude and latitudes, and facts about the latitudes and facts about the longitudes also we know that. Now we are going to know about movements of the earth. Movements of the earth. Yes, there are many celestial bodies. First we want to know that there are many celestial bodies in the universe. Already we know in the first chapter, isn't it? Such as stars, planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids, comets, isn't it? All these. Our Earth is one of the planet in the solar system, isn't it? Our Earth is one of the planet in the solar system. All these things we know. The Earth is one of the planets among them, and planets revolve themselves while revolving around the sun. Yes. See here, the Earth is axis also is there. We know that first chapter is this chapter, the globe, a model of the Earth. First topic, axis, isn't it? See here, one white stick is there inside center, that is axis, and the Earth basically has two movements. Now we are going to know about the movements of the Earth. The first movement is their rotation and revolution. Earth moves on its own axis from west to east. See now in front of us. Observe that one. The Earth moves from west to east. Isn't it? A speed of 1610 kilometer speed. How much? 1610 kilometer speed the Earth moves. This movement is called rotation. This movement is called rotation. And day and nights are caused due to the Earth's rotation. Day and nights are caused due to the Earth rotation. During rotation, that is while the Earth moves on its own axis, during rotation, భూమి తిరిగేటప్పుడు, isn't it? Only half of the portion of it receives sunlight or sun rays, and therefore it appears bright. See, observe here, the sunlight fall only half of the part of the Earth. Remaining part is night. Where the sunlight fall, that is day. Where the sunlight will not fall, that backside is night. Isn't it? While the rotation, it will come. Through that only day and nights occur. Isn't it? Yes. The other half of the remains is in darkness. It means that half of the Earth hit by sun rays has day, while the remaining portion has night. In the process of the Earth's rotation, the portion of hit by the sun's rays gradually goes into the light, and the light portion gradually goes into the dark. అంటే ఇట్లా భూమి తిరిగేటప్పుడు లైట్ ఉండే పోర్షన్ డార్క్ అవుతుంది, డార్క్ ఉండే పోర్షన్ లైట్ అవుతుంది. అందుకే మనకి తెల్లారుతుంది కదా, అర్లీ మార్నింగ్. అట్లే తిరుగుతూ మధ్యాహ్నం అవుతుంది, సాయంకాలం అవుతుంది, మళ్ళీ సన్సెట్ అయిపోతుంది కదా. అందుకే సన్ అనేది ఫిక్స్డ్ ఒక చోట, కానీ ఎర్త్ అనేది ఇట్లా తిరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఆ తిరిగే దాన్ని ఇంకా మనకు డే అండ్ నైట్స్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతున్నాయి. ఇస్ంట్ ఇట్? ఎస్. దట్ ఈస్ వై డే అండ్ నైట్స్ occur, and alternately it takes 23 hours 56 minutes and 4.09 seconds. That is about 24 hours. Actually the Earth takes for its rotation, తన చుట్టూ తాను తిరిగే భూమి 23 hours 56 minutes 4.09 seconds it is taking. అంటే ఒక రోజుకి అంత టైం పడుతుంది. అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ 24 hours. దట్ మీన్స్ 1 day టు కంప్లీట్ 1 rotation. Isn't it? That is. And another movement. What is? Revolution of the earth. See, sun is fixed. Our earth is move around the sun. Are observed? The earth while moving on its own axis also moves around the sun. First own axis it moves. On own axis it moves around the sun. It will revolve around the sun. This movement is called revolution. Or understand? The earth moves around the sun. That is called revolution. This fixed and regular path through which earth revolves around the sun is called orbit. భూమి సూర్యుని చుట్టూ తిరిగే ఒక ఫిక్స్ పాత్ మీన్స్ వే దారి, ఒక రోడ్ మాదిరిగా ఉంటుంది. అదేమి ఎక్కడ ఉండలేదు, అది ఒక ఫిక్స్డ్ పాత్లో మూవ్ అవుతుంది. దాన్ని ఏమంటారంటే ఆర్బిట్. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఆర్బిట్. ద ఆర్బిట్ ఇన్ ఈజ్ ఎలిప్టికల్ ఇన్ షేప్. ఎలిప్టికల్ అంటే రెక్టాంగులర్ రౌండ్, దీర్ఘవృత్తాకారము అంటారు దాన్ని. ఎలిప్టికల్ షేప్, దీర్ఘవృత్తాకారము. Isn't it? The length of the Earth's orbit is 965 million kilometers. Are you understand? What is the length of the orbit? 965 million 965 million kilometers. Are you understand? How much long it is? 1 million means 10 lakhs. 965 million kilometers means, see, every year we are not paying any tax, any ticket. We are moving that much distance. I understand? Earth takes 1 year to complete 1 revolution. అంటే భూమి మొత్తం సూర్యుని చుట్టూ తిరిగేదానికి 1 సంవత్సరం పడుతుంది. అంటే 365 days 1/4 days. 365 1/4 days it is complete 1 revolution. Usually a year consists of 365 days. Everyone know that. Every year 365 days it consists. But 4 years once, 1/4 day is there, no? In that 4 years once, these 1/4 days make into 1 day. That is leap year. Isn't it? That is leap year. Hence a leap year consists of 366 days. Where it changes days? Only the month of February leap year consists of 29 days and remaining every year 28 days. Observe the calendar. Okay. And the month of February 29 days is called leap year. Remaining all years 28 days in February month. Okay, I understand? Yes. Yes, observe this picture. Yes. From the figure, observe here, and it is clear that the earth is moving around the sun in a elliptical ఆర్బిట్. ఎలిప్టికల్ మీన్స్ దీర్ఘ వృత్తాకారము. వృత్తాకారం కాదు ఇక్కడ. వృత్తం అంటే రౌండ్ ఉంటుంది, దీర్ఘవృత్తం అంటే ఎలిప్టికల్ షేప్ అంటారు దాన్ని. ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది కదా మనకి అర్థం పోయేది దాన్ని. ఓకే. అండ్ త్రూ అవుట్ ఇట్స్ ఆర్బిట్ ద ఎర్త్ ఈజ్ ఇన్క్లైన్డ్ ఇన్ ద some directions, inclined in some directions, isn't it? Yes. Seasons changes due to the change in the portion of the earth around the sun, isn't it? This topic we are going to know tomorrow. Okay children, thank you. Hari Om.